Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso Kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are making ginger chia seed lemonade. This easy recipe is perfect for improving your digestion and increasing your energy levels while enjoying a tasty beverage that contains our Koso. First, let me explain how the ingredients in this drink support gut health. We are going to use lemon, ginger, chia seed, and Koso for this drink. Lemons are high in vitamin C and contain soluble fiber, which aid digestion. They also stimulate bile production, helping break down food more efficiently and supporting healthy gut function. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and promotes healthy digestion by relaxing the smooth muscle in the gut. It can help reduce bloating and improve the movement of food through the digestive tract. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which feed healthy gut bacteria and promote regular bowel movement. They also help in absorbing water, creating a gel-like substance that aids digestion. Now let's move on to making the recipe. We'll add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, squeeze the juice of half lemon, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, add 1 tablespoon of our Koso Original. This fermented beverage is rich in probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics, supporting your gut health and overall well-being. Finally, pour 1 cup of water into your glass. Stir everything together and it's ready to enjoy. Your ginger chia seed lemonade with the added benefit of Koso is simple and refreshing way to support your gut and keep you feeling great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips.